This is just a little life hack for operating different profiles in Google Chrome. If you are signed in with your own personal account, or if you have a number of different accounts in here and you have to keep on going down here in order to sign into that account to open up Google Classroom, okay, it's not a major issue, but to do that over and over again when you've got a number of tabs open, wouldn't it be nice if you were just into this account to begin with? Now, the reality is that I'm signed in with this account here. So how do I set up something where I can be signed in with my C2K account? It's really very simple. You click on here and you go to add. This will bring up an opportunity just for you to add something in here. I'm just going to put this in as test. You can pick yourself an icon. I think I'd look cool in those glasses. Let's move this over here. And then what I've done is created a new account for the new profile for my computer. I'm already a Google Chrome user, so I just sign in there using your C2K username and profile as normal. Now, how do you get this down at the bottom? It will come up here as a profile. You just drag that down here. In fact, just let me close that so that's out of the way. You can see there's nothing on the bar here, the toolbar. I just drag this down and pin to taskbar, there it is. So in future, if I want to open up my own personal Chrome there, I just click on that. If I want to open up my C2K one, I just click on that and I'm immediately logged into C2K. You can see those are there. And if I want to open up Google Classroom, boom, it's done just like that. And I don't need to bother changing anything else over.